Good day everyone. In this video, you are going to learn about multiplying integers. The rules in multiplying integers are the following. Number 1, multiplying like integers, the product is positive integers. So, katulad nito, positive times positive equals positive. Negative times negative equals positive. So, ibig sabihin niyan, pag magkapareho ng sign ang mga integers, positive palagi yung sagot. Let's proceed the rule number 2, multiplying unlike integers. Unlike naman ang pinag-uusapan, ibig sabihin hindi magkakapareho ng sign. The product is negative integers, so nandito yung illustration niya. Positive times negative is equal to negative. Negative times positive is equal to negative. So, ibig sabihin, kung hindi magkakapareho ng sign, negative yung sagot. Okay, madali lang tandaan kung magkapareho positive, pag hindi magkapareho negative. Let's proceed now to the different examples. Number 1, we have positive 3 times positive 4. Kung titignan nyo, magkakapareho silang positive. So, therefore, positive din yung sagot natin. Yan, so, positive 3 times positive 4 is equal to positive 12. Okay? Since magkakaparehong positive, positive din yung sagot. Next, example number 2. Negative 7 times negative 3. I think yung rule na pwede dito, ito namang second rule. Okay? Negative times negative will give you positive. Since magkapareho sila ng sign, positive yung sagot. Therefore, negative 7 times negative 3 will give you positive 21. Next example, number 3. We have negative 8 times positive 7. So, dito naman magkakaiba ng sign or tinatawag nating unlike integers. Negative yung isa, positive yung isa. I think itong nasa baba ang pwedeng gamitin rule dyan. Negative times positive will give you negative. So, kailangan negative yung sagot. So, negative 8 times positive 7 is equal to negative 56. Kasi hindi nga sila magkapareho ng sign. Okay? Madaling tandaan. Hindi magkapareho ng sign, negative ang sagot. Okay, next we have positive 9 times negative 8. Yung rule na applicable dito is yung nasa taas naman. Positive times negative is equal to negative. So, therefore, negative ang sagot natin. Positive 9 times negative 8 is equal to negative 72. So, pag hindi magkakapareho ng sign ang mga integers, automatic negative yung sagot. So, mas sasabi natin na positive 9 times negative 8 is equal to negative 72. So, madali lang tandaan, if you are multiplying like integers, positive ang sagot sa kabilang banda naman. If you are multiplying unlike integers, negative naman ang sagot. Hopefully, may natutunan kayo kung paano mag-multiply ng integers. Thank you! I am your teacher, Beth.